2 minutes of video and I charged it up for like 5 hours. Come on now. There we go. No, he's not a monster, I don't think, but oh, he's pulling pretty good. Coming up. He's a pretty good size one anyway. At least. Female, she. And a half. Female, beautiful. Pull him up, he's probably 14 or 13. He's right in the seam here. There he is. He's bigger than 13. I have to net this fella. Look at that big fella. Shoot, he's a good sized male. Yeah, I might have done him in. Huh. Look at that, he's 18 and a half. 18 and a half hook jaw. That'll beat up. Oh, this guy's got power and he's going through the breach. He came up in the shallows here and hit it. Oh yeah, he's a big one. Not a big one, he's full hooked. He's 15 and a half. I'm going to release him above in the trench. Oh, there he goes. I think I was hooked on that rock. He's right around that rock now. There you go. Wow. Yeah. 16 and a half. Nice one. That's a big one. We're going to have to get him up onto the... That's a big one. He likes it under there, under the big old white pine. Let's see if he likes the net. Wow, that's a biggie. Nice and dark. Hook jaw. Oh my gosh. Nineteen inch male.